quite a few times that the core fundamentals of reliability stemmed from aviation. I'd love to learn more about what that was like and how you're able to take the learnings from aviation and bring it into manufacturing.
Well, from his standpoint, he always had a fascination with aviation and the reliability that they were achieving, even, nearly 50 years ago with that. And, he was the head of engineering and maintenance at a chemical plant that had, in this area at that time, about 5,000 people. So, and he couldn't sustain the same amount of reliability as aviation was. So that's what intrigued him into doing the research into that area, and then using his plants here as a lab as the lab for himself to go ahead and take preventive, predictive, and all of the technologies that were available back then. And it's on our website. If you're into a nostalgia, is that they were doing the vibration, the infrared, the eddy current testing. They were one of the first ones to use doing operator rounds and with data recorders, handheld data recorders, and going around. There was not a CMMS way back then. They created their own. They coded their own. Wow. They had their own lubrication management software back then. So, they were really way ahead of their time, and that was 47 years ago-ish.